Oh, what is that?
Did I get a new car or something? Wait.
A what?
I got keys.
Well, for what?
Say, can I get a new car?
I need.
Do you have a driver's license?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Of course, I have the driving license.
What is that, a scroll?
Yes.
Can you read it out loud, please?
Although you have the keys to our heart, these keys are used for something you must stop. Go into the garage and open it up to the sun. You will see that these keys will start Christmas fun. Love, Daddy, and Mommy.
Ooh.
So, I have to do a treasure hunt now.
Well, what does it say you need to do?
I have
Yes.
to...
Daddy.
Yes.
I want to open the boxes.
Okay.
I have to use for something you must stop. Go into the garage and open up the sun.
Go in the garage and open it up to the sun. So that means you have to open the...
Garage.
Oh, let's go do it then.
But we need I need slippers. My feet are bare. I don't have any shoes.
Here, take mine.
Okay. And you'll just, okay. Thank you. I got keys. I got keys.
Let me see the keys. Oh, wow.
They look in a weird shape.
Darius, that looks like the keys to my car. Did you just give her my car keys?
I hope she can't drive it.
I know.
Daddy, did you do this?
Hmm?
Did you do this?
Did I do what?
Did you give me these keys?
Oh, open the garage. It says open it up to the sun. There's the sun.
What is that? Nylah!
What is that?
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna go ride it.
Oh my goodness.
Dad, come out here.
Des, come out.
Hurry!
She might not wear those shoes.
You can't. You're gonna have to put your regular shoes on to drive it, baby.
No.
Des. Oh, okay.
I can't.
Hmm.
What do I
You got a seat belt.
He will be right here, Dad.
Okay.
Okay, there it is. There's my seatbelt. I get to put my seatbelt on.
Well, that one doesn't work like that. I'll show you how to do it in a minute.
Like this. Is this how you do it?
No.
I get how you do it now.
What is this, Des?
Come on, we're gonna ride around. I got the keys to it. Let's go.
Well, you have to put on your regular shoes to drive it, baby. I don't like you riding this kind of stuff with your toes out.